On the MPP subject.
No, on what he just said.
About former president.
Yes,
Kufuor.
yes. I think Solomon is being completely disingenuous.
No.
For quick one. Good morning. Alanche Martin and the guy I friend Solomon Owusu and Opawe was shining meter. TV3. TV3 already on me say Baz channel and Opawe and our continent honor. To land work as Sharabisa and say Okan same Bakumi media about former president Kufuor na Adena Okasa after na papa way starting in Yama Bium can cause same sa enti okawie na Dr. Zaato mamunim no onu na ma onu na ma e friend say sa papa oye Professor Jampo no showdown we TV3 program ba kubisu enti okawie na papa no ka chene say chale na wa MPP feed you sa no asem na obedani against MPP na cause asem bebre o carry to asunkra enti okasa no na ase Solomon no person ti ase en e beye gidigidi e was studio honum to the extent say the host they had to quickly go off to do that, but you see idea when long overdue because Akrasini Solomon Owusu no go ebra na u boss aya lantre maintainer or MPP mu ye man appointment our longest serving minister of trade no ukasa one kasa greedy guys, greedy and stupid guys for that matter because your force are ko be bring more movements for change no mo nim say o political career no ewu ene sawapa o adenta no o wan ifa bio ene Hobson o wan ifa ye kasa kire mu amuntie na mu disikechi ene mu yefu filisa mu ko independent candidate Ghana for vote mamu ene mu ne ene amu say ade no e backfire my useless system ne mu no. Now you think you can use your small mouth, your small okro mouth to run MPP down? I didn't see that. People have come and gone in this party. The party has survived. So how do you think like a miniature like you, someone almost insignificant in this whole equation like you can run down the new patriotic party? It won't happen. And so long.
On the MPP subject.
No, on what he just said.
About former president.
Yes,
Kufuor.
yes. I think Solomon is being completely disingenuous.
No, it is
and
not.
I don't like the fact that you sit down here and you are trying to.
It was just an
Kufuor, you are just trying to say to say these bad things. It's not fair. MPP fed you, Solomon. And people put food on your table. And people put clothes on your person.
Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. I have never enjoyed one single
Kufuor, when he appointed Alan Chiramanteng as minister for this long time, you never attacked him. You were not being fair to him, and you were not being fair to the new patriotic party that you are running down. When they gave appointments to Alan Chiramanteng from 2017 to 2020, you didn't attack the new patriotic party. You didn't say they were bad. When Kufuor appointed Alan Chiramanteng, you did not come out to say Kufuor was a bad person. You didn't say that. When Alan Chiramanteng was enjoying the benefits of it, and you were enjoying with him, the MPP was best. The MPP were angels. The MPP was good. All of a sudden, Alan leaves the MPP and the MPP is bad. That is not principle. You are not being principled on that. That means that when the MPP is there and they are given to your boss and you get to benefit from some, the MPP is good. That means that when the MPP is not given to your boss and you're not benefit from some, the MPP is bad. That is not principle politics. That is stomach politics. And I think that we should eschew from that. You cannot sit here and be trying to run down the reputation of people just because they are not giving you to eat again. It's not fair. We shouldn't do that. And leadership, I don't sit here and insult leadership. I don't call names. When you call names and you insult leaders, it's just bad. Let's talk about the issues. Let's talk about the principles and stop degenerating into gutter politics. It's not nice. This policy of
It's about the fuel allowances that have been scrapped, just to put it again.
This fuel.
You are now with a movement for change. Why are you so passionate about what he said?
Roland, I mean, he was the last person I was expecting to come out at this time because, interestingly, he's one of the two people that endeared me to the MPP. But his life after leaving office really is nothing to write about.
But you can't say that about
No, he is the reason why the party has collapsed. He sat down unconcerned when Kufuor was destroying everything. When he spoke to him...
Destroy?
Oh, he has destroyed everything. And always he put up that posture of the gentle giant.
Is he not?
Being gentle does not mean you will sit down for things to degenerate. I mean, Martin Niemöller, what did he say? That they came for the socialists. Nobody was in his aid. Then they went for the Jews. Nobody went into his aid. Then they came for it. Now, whom do you expect to speak for you? They went for Paul Afoko, someone that was legitimately voted for. Did you ever hear a statement from President Kufuor?
Maybe he was trying to be a statesman. What do you think?
What is statesman when an illegality, a crime was being perpetrated by someone who has supported you all his life? You never spoke. You behaved as a gentle giant. Allow them to remove him with impunity.
Perhaps he didn't want to jeopardize the chances of...
Then they went for Kwabena Japan. He sat down, he did not speak.
But he's a great ally.
They went for Alan Chamanti, he kept quiet, he did not speak.
Alan Chamanti.
He has never supported him, make no mistake. That is one thing that has to be cleared. He has never supported Alan. Now they have... Nobody will come to your defense.
You will not come back to the MPP?
No. As for that one, it's a no.
You never know. Tomorrow is pregnant. Anyway.
They should come join us.
As long as we have people like Dr. Zaato and some of the like-thinking people around, we will make sure that we defend body, we defend the integrity of our political party. And that is how you're going to do. Episode 4, see you in the next one.
On the MPP subject.
No, on what he just said.
About former president.
Yes. I think Solomon is being completely disingenuous.
No, it is
and
not.
I don't like the fact that you sit down here and you are trying to...
It was just
you are just trying to say to say these bad things. It's not fair. MPP fed you, Solomon. And people put food on your table. And people put clothes on your person.
Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. I have never enjoyed one single let me tell you.